Bullish Nucypher cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 37 cents and 81 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Nu could reach 37 cents by 2025. Bearish Nucypher market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. Nucypher presentation. Nucypher's encryption administrations depend on various cryptographic conventions that together give privileged insights the board for blockchain applications. The stage can be utilized to progressively get to delicate information on open organizations while keeping the information secret. The Nucypher stage utilizes different cryptographic apparatuses and procedures to give security to blockchain applications. The stage gives an approach to safely divide information among gatherings and control admittance to information utilizing consents. Nucypher likewise offers a decentralized key administration framework, which makes it conceivable to store and oversee keys in a circulated way. What is Nucypher? Nucypher hubs. The Nucypher stage's organization hubs are liable for putting away and disseminating information across the organization. As a trade-off for their administrations, hubs procure compensations as the ERC20 Nu token. Advantages of the Nucypher stage. The advantages of the Nucypher stage relate straightforwardly to its security systems. All information is encoded before it even arrives at the organization, implying that would-be aggressors wouldn't have the option to get a handle on any captured data. Moreover, on the grounds that information is conveyed across various hubs, there is no weak link that could prompt a horrendous framework-wide break. Nucypher highlights. These elements make Nucypher an appealing recommendation for ventures who wish to store delicate information on a blockchain without settling on security. With its accentuation on security and decentralization, Nucypher additionally has expected applications in fields like medical care and money. Nucypher is a task that gives cryptographic devices to empower security safeguarding, decentralized frameworks. The venture has been a work in progress beginning around 2017 and the Nu token was delivered in October 2020. From that point forward, the undertaking has collected consideration from the crypto local area and got positive audits. Nucypher. The tokenomics Nucypher is a decentralized key administration framework that permits clients to scramble and unscramble information utilizing public key cryptography. The undertaking is based on top of the Ethereum blockchain and utilizes the local ERC20 token, Nu, to control its organization. Decentralized key administration framework. It isn't yet clear what has caused this unexpected interest in Nucypher. Yet it very well may be because of expanding consciousness of the task as it gets some decent momentum inside the more extensive crypto environment. Nucypher is a decentralized administration framework that permits clients to encode and impart information to one another in a safe manner. The task has stood out for its potential use cases in various ventures, going from medical care to back. With such a huge level of Nu being held by the marking contract, almost certainly, this Nu flood in exchanging action is because of Nu holders and financial backers purchasing up Nu to stake them and procure rewards. There could be huge potential gain potential for the individuals who can get involved right off the bat. Nucypher current cost. Nucypher is right now worth 8 cents USD. Nu has moved 0.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,725,608. Nucypher is right now positioned 280 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $58,329,946 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nucypher to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Nucypher value forecast 2023. In 2023, Nucypher Nu cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various Nu associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nu will before long outperform 20 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nu's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nu will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 18 cents. Nucypher value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 28 cents and Nu might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nu is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 26 cents and a low of 24 cents in 2024. Nucypher value forecast 2025. Assuming that Nucypher effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Nu coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nu will be green in 2025. The Nu is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 37 cents, with a base cost of 33 cents and a typical cost of 34 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the new cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 43 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 41 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, new has a greatest value worth of 45 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 51 cents. On the off chance that new figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 53 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help new needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 49 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2028. While new is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 57 cents and a yearly cost close above 62 cents in 2020. Nucypher Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Nucypher will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 66 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 70 cents, averaging out at 67 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest new cost in 2030 is projected to be 81 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 77 cents. And Nucypher is a decentralized administration framework based on Ethereum. It permits clients to share scrambled information and control who approaches it. Nucypher likewise offers various different elements, including the capacity to make subkeys, which can be utilized to give various degrees of admittance to various individuals, and disavowal, which permits you to renounce somebody's admittance to your information assuming they lose their key, or on the other hand in the event that you never again maintain that they should approach. What is the Nucypher cost today? Today, Nucypher is exchanging at 8 cents with a complete market capitalization of $58,329,946. Is Nucypher a wise speculation? Nucypher ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that new is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Nucypher at any point go? The typical cost of Nucypher might conceivably reach 11 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Nucypher might outperform 53 cents. What amount will Nucypher be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising fame of digital money and Nucypher, a drawn-out interest in new could see the value ascend to 53 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Nucypher be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Nucypher today, likewise